we have come here to we have established a stall. The delegation, I am there, and we have got 3-4 members from the task force who are joining me also. Along with that, we are basically trying to get in touch with all the majors also. Quite a lot of them have shown interest. I mean, we have also had interaction with them in the earlier Aero India show. Some of these companies had come for the Aero India show last year. We would like to take advantage of the fact that, along with the fact that aerospace is a big sector, we are having this offset obligations happening, possibly also happening in India. So definitely there should be some scope for companies to establish, which we require to establish quickly. We have the infrastructure available. I think more than anything else, certain states have an advantage. Either they're trying to create the ecosystem or they have the ecosystem. But if you look at the sheer demand or the sheer size of the market itself, I think we believe that if you look at what is being manufactured in India in terms of the total number of parts of a particular plane or this one, if you leave out the defense sector, maybe 10,000 out of 500,000 is manufactured here in different. So if you're looking at manufacturing itself and getting the big system integrators or getting the tier ones or the OEMs into the country, I think the opportunity is huge. I don't think any one state can lay claim to the fact that they are can be, because I think it's this year. I mean, what we should be in a position to do is make ourselves the most competitive and the most efficient places where you can do business in, and I think that itself will attract the industry here and develop the capabilities of all our people to ensure that we are able to take advantage of the possible demand.